Flying squirrels only glide at night because they are nocturnal animals. They sleep during the day and are most active between dusk and dawn. This is when they are most active because their predators are generally sleeping and they have better maneuverability in the dark. Now, flying squirrels aren't actually flying. They can't take off from the ground and fly like a bird or an airplane. They are called flying squirrels because of their ability to jump from tree to tree using a special membrane called a patagium. The patagium is a thin layer of skin that stretches from the front and back legs of a squirrel and acts like a wingsuit. When the squirrel jumps from a tree, it spreads its limbs and the patagium fills with air, allowing the squirrel to glide through the air. This allows them to travel long distances, up to 150 feet, or about 46 meters, before needing to jump again. But why do they only glide at night? Well, there are two main reasons. The first is to avoid predators. As I mentioned earlier, most predators sleep during the night and are less active during this time. This means that flying squirrels can move around more freely without being hunted. Secondly, flying squirrels have much better maneuverability in the dark. They can see well in low-light conditions and are able to navigate through the forest much easier than in the daytime. This is important for their survival because it allows them to find food and water more easily and also to escape from predators. It's important to note that not all flying squirrels are nocturnal. Some species are diurnal, meaning they are active during the day. For example, the Indian flying squirrel is active during the day, while the southern flying squirrel is nocturnal. But in general, most flying squirrels are more active at night. Another interesting fact about flying squirrels is that they can't control where they go when they glide. They basically just go wherever the wind takes them. They can kind of steer themselves by adjusting the angle of their body, but they don't have the ability to make sudden turns or to hover in one spot. This is why you will often see flying squirrels traveling in a straight line when they glide. One way that flying squirrels help us understand how humans might be able to achieve controlled flight without wings is by studying how they use their bodies to steer themselves while gliding from tree to tree. By understanding how flying squirrels fly, we may be able to develop new technologies that allow us to fly without wings. Imagine being able to jump off a building and steer yourself through the air using nothing but your body. It may seem like science fiction, but it may be possible thanks to flying squirrels. Flying squirrels are amazing creatures that are perfectly adapted to living in the forest. Their ability to glide allows them to travel long distances quickly and easily, and their nocturnal habits help them avoid predators. So next time you see a flying squirrel, take a moment to appreciate the amazing animal that it is. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more nature videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.